One of the biggest challenges in designing a PowerPoint slideshow is that you have to bear in mind what computer you're going to play it on. Will it be Windows or a Mac? Will they have PowerPoint 2010? Or are they still using 2007 or even the 2003 version? Since you never know how someone else's computer is configured, you can use the Optimized Media Compatibility utility so that you're not caught off guard in the middle of your big day. The Optimized Media Compatibility Checker modifies your multimedia so that it will play on any computer configuration, not just your own. Go up to the File tab and click on Info. The top section says Optimized Media Compatibility. Interestingly, this option only shows up under certain circumstances. Otherwise, you won't even see it on the menu. You'll see it when you have media eligible for conversion. In other words, a media clip in a format other than WMV, WMA, or MIDI files. You'll see it if you have linked media files. And you'll see it if you have a video inserted from a website that requires an internet connection. If you have linked videos, Optimize for Compatibility won't actually run on them. It will ask you to embed them instead. If you'd like to do that, click on View Links, and you'll see a list of all the media in your file that are not actually embedded. Click on one, and if you want to embed it, click on Break Link. The second one is a Flash file, and Optimized Compatibility doesn't actually work on it, so that's why I don't have the option for breaking the link. And my third one is my reference to my YouTube video. Also, it's not actually in my presentation, so there's no link to break. I'll go ahead and click Close. So now I'll click on Optimize Compatibility, this big button right here, and run the checker. When I run it, I'll see a summation dialog box. Each media clip that's eligible for optimization will be listed. After each one runs, when it's done, it will be labeled as either unsupported or complete. If it says unsupported, that means either the file type isn't actually supported by the Optimized Media Compatibility Checker, or it might mean that the media format won't work in PowerPoint 2007 and other versions of the software. If that's the case, I might need to convert the media clip to another format and reinsert it. If the media clip is labeled complete, the Optimize utility has modified the clip for compatibility, and it should play in PowerPoint 2007 or 2010 without a hitch. Now here's another issue you might come across. If you have multiple instances of the same video in your slideshow, and you run the Optimized Media Compatibility Checker, you may find that your trims or bookmarks disappear on all the instances of the video except for the very first one. This is because the utility maintains the first video, but inserts pointers to the original instance instead of embedding multiple occurrences. To get around that, run the Optimized Media Compatibility Checker after you insert each occurrence of the video, before going on to the next one. Each embedded video will then be considered unique. If you're going to play a PowerPoint presentation on any other computer besides your own, be sure to run the finished file through Optimized Media Compatibility before you move it onto the new machine. That will make sure that your videos and audio will play under any circumstances.